Hey everybody, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg, KeironGHogg.com. Thank you for being here. Today's tutorial is just a very quick one and very easy. It is how to withdraw your money from WarriorPlus. So if you're an affiliate and you've made some commissions, you're going to see just how easy it is to get those commissions into your account that you have provided with WarriorPlus. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into your account like so. You're going to go up in your top right section here and you're going to click the WarriorPlus wallet. And then you're going to get to this button here. So guys, this is my account here. I have some sales pending, so I cannot withdraw those until a limited time, but I can withdraw some funds. And you guys, the minimum amount that you can withdraw is $10. So for example, if I want to withdraw $100, and this is my account that I've linked up. It is my PayPal account, and you can link other multiple accounts. You can link your swipe account if you have one. You can link your actual personal account as well. I only have one account at the moment with this, and if I would just want to withdraw $100, I would click withdraw, and all I would do is just confirm, and then bang, within about 24 hours or less, that $100 would be in my PayPal account. Now I'm not actually going to do this. I just wanted to do that for the tutorial. So you just see how easy it was to withdraw your funds, your commissions from WarriorPlus into your designated account. Guys, I hope you got some value from that. Please hit that bell button and leave a comment if you have any questions. Please hit a like if you did get some value. And guys, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I strongly recommend that you check out that link there. And also, don't forget to get my free training where you're going to learn for free multi-video about all the basics that you're going to need to do with affiliate marketing as well down there. Okay, my friends, thank you for being here. I do appreciate you, and best of luck on your journey. This is Keiron Hogg, and I will talk to you soon.